Hi Cappies! We will see the sun, moon, rising energy for all of Capricorns, the sea goats, the ones who are favorite to me because I am a Capricorn. That's why there is a gap in these readings. Oh wow, Capricorns, you've got contract flying out for you. So clearly you're moving towards something which is very contractual in terms of, Capricorn is all about work, business, money, all of that. Boring like that. Anyway, but yeah, you're moving towards something, signing of contracts, picking up new projects, looking at things from a very ROI related, whether it's a relationship, whether it's a actual business contract or a career. A lot of career changes will be happening for many of the Capricorns. Yeah, you're refusing to see in terms of what is not serving you. Whatever is not serving you, you are like, all right, thank you very much. I am moving on from here. I need to move towards things which are aligned to me. Okay, the refusing to see also has a third eye there, which is telling me, again, there are 2-3 cards here. I'm just going to take the ones that came out. I've got the wisdom, harmony and triumph, which is again telling me whatever is not serving me, I'm moving on, only to open doors for wisdom, harmony and triumph. So you are focusing on your winnings. There you go. Feeling left out in the cold, feeling dejected, feeling left behind is all done for. All your fights and arguments is all done for. You're like, no more, I'm not going to do this. It's only going to be my way or the highway. You are making a plan for yourself, for your growth. Your 2 of Wands with the star at the end only tells me that there is hope at the end of the tunnel. Victory is your, triumph is your, provided you find your balance. So all Capricorns are focused on not being tied down to obligations, tied down to connections which is not serving them. They're only focusing on, listen, I know what I need to do. And it's not selfish, it's not arrogance, it's purely from a point of view that I don't wish ill to anybody. I don't want anybody's over expectations, overzealous demands onto me. So I can build a world of my own. Okay, that's where your wisdom is getting aligned, your harmony is coming through. You could also be meeting somebody new in the second half of February. Also, winning is on your side, triumph is on your side because you're very hardworking. Because I'm also very hardworking. All right, Capricorns, have a brilliant January. I think it's coming up with a lot of promise, a lot of challenges, but you'll overcome them. That's the takeaway for January. All right, bye.